Welcome. If you've ever stumbled upon a stunning carousel on Instagram and wished you could save it for later, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the updated steps on how to save a carousel on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, take a moment to scroll through your feed or explore the Discover page. You'll find an endless stream of beautiful images and videos, but we're specifically looking for that carousel post that caught your eye. Now, let's find the carousel you want to save. A carousel is a post that contains multiple images or videos that you can swipe through. You'll know it's a carousel if you see a series of dots beneath the post, indicating there are more slides to view. Take your time to find the perfect one, whether it's an inspiring travel shot, a delicious recipe, or some creative artwork. Once you've found the carousel you want to save, it's time to click on the Save icon. This icon looks like a little bookmark or flag, usually located at the bottom right corner of the post. Simply tap on it, and voila! The post is now saved to your collection. To access your saved posts later, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Saved, and you'll find all the posts you've saved, organized neatly for easy access. And there you have it. Saving carousels on Instagram is quick and easy, allowing you to keep all your favorite content just a tap away. Whether you're saving for inspiration or planning future projects, this feature is incredibly useful. Thanks for joining me today. Now go ahead and start saving those amazing carousels that inspire you every day on Instagram. Happy saving!